Hi guys, received a new package and this was an impulse buy. Usually I try to steer clear from the scale of this, or this kind of scale, but I wanted some companion for my lovely Lillycat Colline, who is only 17 centimeters tall. She is absolutely tiny. So, and this was a second-hand doll. It was packaged really well. I took it out of the postal box. I don't know what to expect because I never kind of seen this doll before. I heard about them, but they're not very popular. I believe because of, I don't know why, but I think it's an artist doll, Camellia Dynasty, I think. I know they're doing some other things, some other small animals of 1/6 scale, I think, or in smaller. So it's a lovely box like that. The doll come with some extras, as you can see. You maybe can guess what the doll it might be. Horse blanket. Oh, it does match the color of her dress. Interesting. Nice cushion. I must say I have been warned on the listing that the doll is a bit loose and might need restringing, and I can see that's the case. Oh, but he is gorgeous. Oh, he's adorable. Oh, he's such a beauty. Oh, look at him. Let me just take him out of the box. And also the seller told me that she forgot to put the certificate of authenticity in this package, so it will arrive separately in an envelope, I assume. Oh, there is something in the bottom though. If you are willing to translate this story in your mother tongue, please be kind to help us send us in translation to mailbox service. We'll print the story in your language under your name. Oh, that's awesome. I will read the story later. Okay, and also let me just put this on the floor. Oh, he's so cute. Aww. And look, the unicorn. I'm not sure. Oh, it does oh, it's magnetic. Oh, it's gorgeous. Look at that. Got slight chip in here. Not chip, I think it's something happened to them. But I think I read the description, so I'm happy about that. Oops. Sorry, it's the horn fell off. It's interesting. Okay, so that's how it's strung. Wow. it's gonna be a bit of a challenge for me to restring that horse because I never strung things like this before, but I'm sure I can figure it out. It's got a real mohair, I believe, because I can, yeah, it is, because I can see there is a, I think it's a real one, I'll be wrong. So that's the beauty. Quite intrigued about the doll, really. Okay, so the ribbon was for the horse, I guess. It's done really well. I think it's a custom fit. When I checked the website of the Camellia Dynasty, they had these blankets, obviously made, and I guess the person who sold it to me bought it there as well. I'm really pleased about the horn, because I like unicorns, can't you tell? And it's quite unusual to have a chocolate one. I like the articulation, it's really good. I mean, the head is really good. It can stand on 3 legs, which is lovely. I wonder, can he lift his... Okay. Wow! Okay, we can lay. We can fall asleep. Oops. Oh! Okay, the feet is magnetic. Oop! Bink. Oops! Oi! Please don't fall apart. Please stay in peace. Oopsie daisy. Oh, yeah. I think I need a bit of a tightening. It strings, and I think it might be even need a bit more thicker elastic, because look, it's so thin. It definitely needs some more. Okay, let's leave him at that. Okay, so the milady. There you go. And she's so challenging to make clothes for, because she's so tiny on her waist, and she's quite big, as usually Lillycats are bigger on their hips, but she's tiny. She's just like my size of my palm. And I need a saddle for her, the female one as well, because it's obviously not perfect. Oh, look at that, she's so lovely, sitting on that gorgeous, stunning horse. He's a stunner. And what about the ears? Oh, they move as well. Okay. If we sit her not very girly-like, yeah, she definitely need a saddle for this horse. But otherwise, the perfect scale for each other. And please let me know what you think about this unusual horse. I usually don't give my dolls any names, but in this case, I think I need to find him a suitable name. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day while I will enjoy this little beauty.